Okay, so now we have the clay. It's leather hard. It's a slab. We're going to get our template. Okay, remember we got these. So I'm going to go around doing this. When you get your template, use the clay as best as you can. Use all of the space that you can. Alright, so here's the base. I'm going to cut the base. And it may be a little hard. That's why you should do this standing up rather than sitting down. Some of you have very complicated designs, so you're going to have to make some adaptations, some changes. And notice that I did not go like this and cut all the way in here because I want to use this space. So you want to be as efficient as possible. When you do this, instead of taking your fingers and going in there and taking the piece out, you want to release the piece by, you know, freeing it like this. Okay? Freeing it. You know, maybe I do want to free it over here like this. Save this piece. So now I have my square piece, okay? This piece, okay, doesn't fit in there. I can't get it in there. That's too bad. So I'm going to take the piece and recycle it. Right? Put it back over there for other people to use it.